Yes, good morning. Good morning to everybody. Today we are in class 5, same chapter, matrices and determinants. Now we are in problems. Yes, there is a problem. 2x plus y matrix is given. 3x plus 2y matrix is given. They are asking find the matrices capital X and capital Y. Write the given matrices in the form 3x plus 2y is equal to 360 minus 1. Yes, already we have done this type of problems in previous class. Here also same problem. Some confusion thing is coefficients of capital X and capital Y are 1, 1 in the previous class example. Now the coefficients of X and Y are different. How to solve this problem? How to find the matrices capital X and capital Y? Even if you subtract or if you addition, neither X nor Y get cancelled. Then what to do? If first equation is multiplied by 2, then this term becomes 2y. Then these two coefficients are equal. After multiplying first equation by 2, the y coefficients including sign are same. Then after multiplying first equation by 2, we have to subtract to get x. Y cancel agutte, x barutte. So multiplied by 2, 4 capital X plus 2y is equals to 10, 4, 0, 18. Write the second equation as it is. 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Yes, same sign. We have to subtract. Cancel. 4x minus 3x, capital X. Please don't write as a small x. Yes. Subtract corresponding elements of both the matrices. Corresponding element of 10 is 3. So, 7. 4 minus 6, minus 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 18 minus half minus 1. This is capital X. Then there are two methods. Method number 1. Pick any equation out of these two. Substitute the value of matrix X. Or again write these two equations. Multiply first equation by 3, second equation by 2. This coefficient of x is multiplied with this equation. This coefficient of x is multiplied with previous equation. Why? To make x coefficients are equal. What is the use? After subtraction, x get cancelled. Then we are getting y. Or we have x. There is no any fraction on RHS. We can easily substitute in place of x in either of equations. Anyone. Please take first equation. Y is equals to 5 to 0, 9 minus 2x. That is 5 to 0, 9 minus 2 into x andre 7 minus 2, 0, 19. Yes. 5 minus 2 4s are 14. 2 7s are 2 4s alla. 2 7s are 14. Next. 2 minus of minus plus 4. 2 minus 2 of minus 2 plus 4. Next. 0 minus 2 times 0. Next. 9 minus 2 times 19. Minus 2 times 19 means minus 38. Simplify, we get minus 9, I think minus 9, 6, 0, I think minus 29. This is capital Y. If coefficients of xy are not equal, please make it coefficients of x and y are equal simultaneously, not at a time. What I did in first step, make coefficients of y, make the coefficients of y are equal, that is 2 2. Okay. Yes, there is another problem here. They are given this matrix equation. They ask us to find x, y, z, w. This is the question. This is the answer in first step. First step in the answer. It's simple. Multiply this matrix by 3. Here there is a plus symbol. So add these two matrices, we get this. Listen carefully. We can easily find x and w. How? Please listen. 3x equals to x plus 4. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. Both the matrices of same order. Hence we can equate. How? Equating by corresponding elements of both the matrices. 3x is equal to x plus 4. Bring it to x this side. 3x minus x is equals to 4. 2x is equals to 4. X is equals to 2. This is a value. In previous problem, they are asking find matrix capital X, matrix capital Y. Instead of writing capital X, capital Y, if you are writing small x in previous problem, it is going to be wrong. In this problem, they are asking the values of x, y, z, not matrices. In previous problem, they are asking capital X, capital Y matrices. Yes. Again, now we are getting x value by equating corresponding first elements of both the matrices. Now, in both the matrices, we can equate the last element, which is present in second row, second column. Second row, second column. Yes, that is 3w is equals to 2w plus 3. Okay. 2w ikkada tagondaga maybe w or omega. It is not a orientation class. Whether it is omega or w, we don't want. Let it be omega, write omega. If it is w, write w. Is equals to 3. Yes, omega plus L3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 3 is 9. Again omega plus L3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 2 is 6 plus 3 9, balanced. So no problem. Yes. Now come to values of y and z. Yes, 3y, which is the second element in first row of left hand side matrix, is equals to symbol is there. So we have to equate 6 plus x plus y. Bring it into y on LHS, we get 2y, that is equals to 6 plus x, that is equals to 6 plus 2, that is equals to 8. 2y is equals to 8, and y is equals to how much? 4. We have to find out z. The element corresponding to 3z in first matrix is minus 1 plus z plus w. 3z equals to minus 1 plus z plus w. We have the value of w. 3z minus z is equals to minus 1 plus w value 3 from this equation. 2z is equals to 2 minus 1 plus 3 2. Z is equals to ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈ 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 minus 2 0. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಇವರ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಿಂಬಲ್. To bring 2 as RHS, it is the denominator for 2, that is 2 by 2. That is 2 divided by 2, that is equals to 1. This is the correct answer, this is wrong. Yes. Now, come to another important topic in matrices. This is complete base for remaining syllabus in the matrices. What is that? Product of two matrices is the heading. In previous or before previous class, we have done product of a matrix by scalar. ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ. ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. Scalar means number. Now the concept is product of two matrices. This concept is entire base for remaining syllabus in this chapter. Please listen carefully. Don't confuse. Don't neglect. Don't watch like a TV. Please learn. Yes. There are two matrices. They are given two matrices. Of order what? Yes, that is the climax. Of any order, is it possible to exist its product? No. Irrespective orders of A and B, AB does not exist. So that's what. Listen carefully. There is a working rule, sensitive working rule. They are given two matrices of any order. To exist product AB, to multiply A and B, first we have to confirm. We have to confirm. What we have to confirm? Whether AB exists or not. How to confirm? That is the first point. That is the first point in the working rule. Please listen carefully. Number of columns in A, please catch this point. Number of columns, not number of rows. While learning rows and column, we have given the priority for rows. Is it? Then columns. But please in this topic means product of two matrices. Please in this topic, to exist AB, A is first matrix, B is second matrix. Let it be. To exist the product of two matrices, namely AB, there is a sensitive initial condition, confirmation. First we have to confirmable for existence of AB. What is that? Number of columns in A equals to number of rows in B. Then product AB exists. Suppose this is M cross N, this is P cross Q. What we have to observe in first matrix? Columns. Which letter? N. What we have to observe in second matrix to exist its product? Rows. That is P. If N is equals to P, then product AB exists. This is only confirmation. Yet to do answer. ಇನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನಿ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ AB, particularly product AB. For BA, same working rule. B becomes first matrix, A becomes second matrix in BA. Yes. Number of columns in first matrix, number of rows in second matrix. If those rows and columns and rows are equal, then we have to confirm. We have confirmable for existence of AB. Okay. Then how to find product AB? After confirmation, first we have to confirm. Yes. For example, A is equals to AB minus BA. B matrix is equals to A minus B, BA. To find AB, we can find B also. First, we shall find AB. How to find AB? Please come step by step. Don't go through jumping. A, B, minus B, A. A minus B, B, A. Yes. What is the symbol? Into. Listen carefully. Especially below average students. Please, please, please. Multiplication is started after confirmation. Oh, confirmation means what we have to check in this matrix? Columns. What we have to check in this matrix? Rows. What about number of columns in matrix A and what number of rows in matrix B? They are equal. Hence, it is confirmed. What confirmed? What we have confirmed? AB existence. AB existence is confirmed. Listen carefully. 3, 4 or 5 problems I will explain slowly. This is the learning time. We have been learning of product of two matrices. This is the base for remaining syllabus in matrix. Please listen carefully. Yes, yes. What is this? First row. What is this? First column. I have put it 2 arrow marks for first row in first matrix, first column in second matrix. Yes, come to first step. Please be careful. What is the first element in first row? A. What is the first element in first column? A. Those two elements should be multiplied, nothing but A square. Athwa A into A. Catch this point carefully. After completion of multiplication of every element by corresponding element of first row by corresponding element of column, we have to go for next element. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ರೋಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಈ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೋಗಾಗಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಗಾಗಲಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್? ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Again multiply those 2 elements, b square, add them. Respective elements of first row in first matrix, multiply with corresponding elements of respective elements in first column. Add the complete answer. That is single element. This is single element. If it is numbers, we can add. We get 7, 9, 13 like that. Single number. Yes. What we have completed? First row, first column is completed. Then go to same first row, second column. Don't change row. Complete first row with respect to all columns. Then come to second row. That is the proper way. What about row? Same row. What about column? Second column. Then answer goes to which place? Here or here? Please tell me. Which row? First row. Which column? Second column. First row, second column, ida. Idu. First row, second column. This is first column. Hence, we have to write answer here. Yes. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಎಸ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ರೋ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ. ದೇ ಶುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್? ನೋ. Again, yes, after completion of element, commonly we have used plus. Yes, second element of first row, second element of second column. What is that? Plus BA or AB. BA, AB both are same. Now, two elements in this row, two elements in this column are completed using plus between them. First multiply. After completion of one element, write the place. Again, corresponding elements are multiplied. Add them, that is complete single element of a matrix. This is one element. This is in the second row. Sorry, first row, second column. Yes, we have successfully completed first row with all the columns. Then come to second row. Second row means ಕೆಳಗೆ. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Again, yes. What is the first element in second row? Minus b. Then come to first column of second matrix, A. So, minus AB or minus BA. Both are same. Is it completed? No. Another element is there. Another element A with respect to B. Multiplication is there. Before going to multiply these two numbers, commonly we have to write plus. This is common. Please, this is common. Yes. AB. Second row, first column also completed. Second row, second column. First element, minus b. First element in second column, minus b. Minus into minus, plus b square. Is it completed? No. Another element A is there with respect to A in this column. What is the symbol? Common symbol after multiplication of single element in particular row, particular column. We are commonly used what? Plus a square. Yes. Now a square plus b square. Can we cancel? Yes. B A, AB both are same. 0. Here also 0. A square plus b square. Your answer is completed. AB. Is it possible to find BA? Let me see. Now come to find BA. Previously we were finding AB. Now we are going to find BA. Again, please confirm first. What's your confirmation? What we have to check in this columns? What we have to check in this matrix rows? If these two numbers, what is this numbers tells in this matrix? Columns. This number in this matrix rows. Number of columns equals number of rows. Then what we have confirmed? Product is exist. What product? BA. Then previously what we are finding? AB. Now BA. Yes. Same procedure. Once again I will repeat same procedure. Yes. What is the first element in first row? A. Corresponding element? A. What we have to then multiply. That is the rule while finding product of two matrices. Is it completed? No. In the same row we left with minus b. In the same column we left with minus b. Those two elements should be multiplied and added. Then first row, first column is completed. Minus into minus plus b square. First row, first column completed. Then come to first row, second column. Corresponding element of A in this row is B in this column. that is AB. Commonly we have to use plus. Minus B into A, minus AB or minus B, no problem. First row with all columns completed. Then what we have to do? Come to second row. With respect to all the columns in second matrix. Okay. First element, BA or AB, both are same. Common plus. Minus AB. Second element. Yes, second row, first column also completed. Then we go to second row, second column. B square, second row first element, second column first element, B square. Common plus A square. That is equals to A square plus B square. 0 we can cancel. 0. Here also we can cancel. A square plus B square. Previously what we have find out? AB. Adyen bandittu adu kuda A square plus B square. 0. A square plus B square. What is this? AB. What is this? BA. Please students, come to the point. In this example, AB is equals to BA. Don't conclude yourself. Product of matrix is also commutative. Sorry. In this example, accidentally AB is equals to BA is getting. In general, 98% of the problems in this chapter, AB not equals to BA. Some particular examples, it is possible to get AB is equals to BA. Majority of the problems, AB not equals to BA. In previous topic, addition of two matrices is commutative. A plus B is equals to B plus A. But in general, please use the word in general. In general, product of two matrices is not commutative. Why we are using general? In a few examples, in particular some cases, AB is equals to BA. Then we can't say strictly AB not equals to BA. That's what we are using the word in general. In general, AB not equals to BA. Andre matrix multiplication is not commutative in general. Please use the word in general. If you won't use the word in general, matrix multiplication is commutative. ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸರ್ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು? ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ಫ್ಯೂ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 or 1% ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ in general. In general, matrix multiplication is not commutative. That is AB not equals to BA. But matrix addition is commutative.